name is Chloe.
And my name is Ella.
In Wonderland! Today we're going to video the Play-Doh Chocolate Pop.
Let's open it. Oh my god. There's so much scotch tape. Sweet shop. I'm not trying to open in this box. Yeah. Oh my god, this scotch tape. Now I'm gonna open. I'm so excited. It's fresh. These chocolate pops include brown Play-Doh, 2 cupcake molder, and 2 popsicle stick.
It's so cute.
2 cups. And 1 scoop ice cream and yellow. Let's go play.
What the heck? It's color brown.
What? What's that? Here. Let's change. This is my favorite. Mango! Yeah! I'm so excited to play. Oh my god. This Play-Doh exciting.
Do you want ice cream?
Yeah, I love ice cream. Oh my god, look at that color. It's so yellow. Let me do it for you. Ta-da! There's ice cream.
Yeah.
Give me that. I can't fit in a cup. What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
You're dancing without music. Are you crazy? No. I think you did. Oh wait, I'm just gonna get some ingredients, okay?
That's so hot.
I'm gonna do some marshmallow.
Here.
What's that?
Ice cream.
Oh my god. He's so cute. Let me try molding the under. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This Play-Doh has in
Including. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cute.
Give me this. You?
I just open the Play-Doh.
Open my Play-Doh. Mama. I'm just kidding. Wait, get the popsicle stick. But no. Oh my god! Put it in the camera. Wow, you're so competitive. Maybe this thing. Why are you not getting that? Give me this.
Yeah.
So, not that. So, I'm gonna use this molder to repeat this clay.
No.
Lemon was supposed to be yellow, right? Right? Right!
Right.
Oh no, my lemon. What happened? Whoa, my lemon. Lemon. Give. God, gotta be kidding me. Amy, don't try to touch that. Let's see what. Oh! Let's try this one. Oh my god! Look at this! This looks like a starfish. Ah! Oh no. What happened?
Here, that's
Give me that.
ice cream.
It's gonna rain. It's raining. I don't know how to cook.
What?
I don't know how to cook. Or make some ice cream. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, what's so cute? It looks like a volcano. Oh, it's look like Minion said. Let's try this one. This molder.
Here, my ice cream. Chocolate ice cream.
Do you hear that sound? Give me that, the big one. Damn. I'm gonna put strawberries. Ta-da! There's a strawberry now. Here, put it back. Where's that? Oh my god, these mowers look like the same. Wait. Oh no. Ice cream. Yeah. But this is a cupcake. I'm just gonna put some. What? What happened to your ice cream? What's happening to you? No. Oh my god, this is so unbearable. My god. This thing has a different sounds of the animated thing. But it also has a two little Play-Doh, right? Give me. I'm finished. I'm gonna make some ice cream. Wow. Oh, the ice cream is melting. Hey. I'm gonna eat Play-Doh. No. That's cupcake? Oh, this is not for cupcake. Hey! No. Hey, you're so noisy. Wait for me. Wait for me, yeah. What are you doing? marshmallow.
So cute and so yummy.
Wait a minute.
What?
Where's the top? Oh, here. Wow, this ice cream make me so hungry.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Okay. Your food is ready. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Look at this.
And the chocolate. And the chocolate. Okay, guys.
See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.